Welcome to Aloft Aloft. My videos are all about beauty, lifestyle, and natural hair. My name is Dee, and today's video is all about my natural hair journey over the last 4 years. I won't bore you with when I was a child, how my hair looked, things like that. I'm going to start the last year that I got a relaxer, which was 2015. August of 2015 is when I decided to get my last set of highlights. And then shortly after, maybe 6 to 8 weeks later, I got my final relaxer and haircut, which is why my hair is chin length, barely shoulder length. At the end of 2015, instead of getting another relaxer, I decided to start my transition journey. After transitioning for 2 years, I decided it was time to cut off the last of my relaxed ends. So I went into my bathroom, looked in the mirror, grabbed a pair of scissors, and went to work. A few days later, I went to a salon so that they can do a true cut and shape up.